When I was a child, it was called jacks. We used to get knuckle bones from the butchers and 5 of them.
I was always riding my bike to friends' houses or just around the neighbourhood.
When I was little, I liked cooking and I liked eating.
As a child, I really enjoyed playing hopscotch.
When I was a child, I loved doing handstands. I could be found doing handstands all over the house.
When I was little, I loved to ride on my hobby horse.
When I was a kid, I loved playing with my doll called Emily. I could play with her for hours on end every day.
Playing elastics with my friends at school was one of my favourite things to do.
When I was a child, I loved playing hand clapping games with my friends.
When I was little, I loved playing with hula hoops. I could hula hoop with 2, 3 or even 4 hula hoops at a time.
As a child, I loved to do jigsaws. Tom and Jerry was probably my favourite, and I still have it today.
When I was a kid, I played handball with my friends.
My favourite thing to do when I was a child was playing outside.
When I was a kid, I used to play mancala with my grandparents after dinner, and we call it songka in our dialects, and that's one of my favorite games.
That was my favourite game when I was a child.